friends, what's up? This is RK from 360 Reader. Right now I'm going to talk about how you can install any iPhone or iPad app on an M1 Mac. It is worth noting that Apple M1 Macs are equipped to run both iOS and iPad OS apps because of the common architectures. Let me show you how it works. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. To begin with steps, you have to launch Mac App Store, and then you have to click on your profile in the bottom left of the app. Then under Account, you have to select iPhone and iPad apps. Next, you have to select any app in the list, and after that, you have to click on the download button. After that, the iOS app will be installed like any other Mac app and can be launched from Launchpad or Applications folder. Keep it in your mind that you also get the option to search for iPhone and iPad app names in the Mac App Store and click on the iPhone and iPad apps tab under the results list to check out the apps that were originally developed for iOS devices. Some of the apps which you see in the Mac App Store are labeled with a warning reading that not verified for Macs. That means it is not optimized to run on Mac. That's pretty much it. That's how you can install any iPhone or iPad app on an M1 Mac. If you have found this guide helpful, then do like it and share it, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, have a great time. Bye bye.